Did you find anything?
I would never have guessed Walter liked books.
What is it, Claudia?
Professor Clark's book. And it looks like Walter has read it. A lot.
Interesting. Anything else? Otto?
No, I found nothing of interest.
I wonder where Walter is now.
I think we should check on Professor Clark as quickly as possible. He should be in room number 1.
Walter, what are you doing here?
What do you mean?
What are you doing in Professor Clark's room?
It's all right, Claudia. I'm explaining the difference between Vedism and Brahmanism to Walter.
What's wrong, Claudia?
We found Professor Clark's book in your room. What was it doing there?
Oh, you've been in my room without permission. Nice.
We are sorry, Walter. Can you answer her question?
What's wrong with me having Professor Clark's book? I'm a huge fan. I've read all of his books.
We didn't know that.
Well, now you do, I guess. May I ask you a question, Claudia?
Go on.
Mr. Peterson told me yesterday that he wanted to show me something important. Do you know anything about it?
No.
All right, one more question. When Otto asked everyone if they had spent all night in their rooms, you told everyone you had.
Well...
Why did you lie? I know your room was empty this morning. Furthermore, I know you were with Giovanni.
It's not what you think. I can explain.
Please do. I think Anna, Professor Clark, and Otto are keen to know what happened.
I was alone. It was night. All the murders, the whole situation made me very nervous. I was afraid. I wanted company. Everyone was asleep except...
Giovanni, who also lied.
Please don't blame him. It was my idea. And that is why Mr. Peterson committed suicide. He was in love with me. And when he saw me with Giovanni, he couldn't bear it. He killed himself. It's horrible.
We should go to Giovanni's room immediately. What happened here? This room is a mess.
And no sign of Giovanni. Claudia, where is he?
I don't know.
We should check this room. We might find something useful.
Great! I found some record pieces. Otto, look. These are pieces of the broken record we found outside. It means Giovanni was there when Mr. Peterson was killed.
Are you sure it's the same record?
I am pretty sure, yes. But we can glue the pieces together on a gramophone, to be sure. Let's see. See? It is the record.
Oh my God. It means Giovanni was at the crime scene.
And he wanted to get rid of this record for some reason.
But where is Giovanni?
It's very cold and we're all tired. I think we should rest for a bit. If he doesn't appear soon, we'll organize a search party.
I agree. It will be dark soon, and the temperature is falling. Have a good rest, and then we will go and look for Giovanni.
Did you all have a good rest?
Yes. Any word on Giovanni?
No.
We should go.
I suggest we split into 2 groups. Otto and I will search near the cellar and warehouse. Claudia and Walter should search near the cabin.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go, Claudia.
Anna, look. Someone is inside.
We need to check who is there. Are you ready?
Do I have a choice?
Hello, you two.
Giovanni, what are you doing here?
Why do you have a bottle of wine in your hand? My wine, by the way.
This is not what you think. Please, let me explain.
I will not tolerate stealing, Giovanni.
Otto, this is not a stealing. Please, please, let me explain.
Go ahead.
You see, gentlemen, sorry, Anna, I wasn't completely honest with you earlier today when I told you I was alone last night.
Oh, really? And how does this explain your stealing?
Otto, please. Go on, Giovanni.
In the middle of the night, I was visited by Miss Perret. She is an incredible woman. I fell in love with her instantly. We talked all night.
Talked?
Well, mostly. But that's not the point. My head was spinning and spinning around like crazy. And I decided to take a long walk after dinner. And on my walking, I decided I am going to propose.
Oh dear. Otto, he is totally drunk. He can barely speak.
I wanted it to be romantic, so I need a bottle of red wine. At the same time, I don't want anyone to know before Claudia accepts my proposal. So I need to get the wine quietly. I came here, I took a bottle, and I left the money over there. I hope it is fine with you, Otto.
You left some money?
Yes, over there, in the corner.
Giovanni, this is a most interesting story, but it is not what we wanted to talk to you about.
What has happened?
We have some suspicions about you. Otto, could you please take Giovanni inside? Everyone is waiting.
Of course.
What is going on?
I will look around and return inside as soon as I can.
All right.
Great! I found a bow tie. A bow tie? Like opera singers wear. This means Giovanni was here, and he is probably lying about the wine. What a chameleon! I must hurry to the hotel.
Did you find anything useful, Anna?
I think I did. Giovanni, I hope you are sober. I have often wondered if opera singers wear bow ties.
I am feeling much better, Anna, thank you. Occasionally, yes, we do. Why are you asking?
I think you have mislaid yours.
I do not think so. I think this is mine, yes. So what?
Nothing. Except it proves that you were outside this morning, precisely when Mr. Peterson was killed.
This is ridiculous.
Giovanni, you were outside the cellar this morning. We found a La Scala record there with your name on it. It was not there yesterday.
What record? What are you talking about? The only record I made was cancelled recently, thanks to Mr. Well, it doesn't matter.
When was it cancelled?
It doesn't matter, really.
Giovanni, can you tell us if you were near the cellar today?
No, I was not.
But we just saw you in the cellar.
I mean, I was not there before you saw me.
Giovanni, did you kill Mr. Peterson?
What? God, no, I want to go to my room.
No, you stay here. Walter, help me, please.
Let go of me, you imbeciles!
Otto, let's tie him up.
Let go of me! You are the wrong man! I have done nothing. I did not kill anyone. Non mi rompere coglioni!
Then who is the right man?
I do not know! Let go of me!
I shall leave you all to it, and go and examine Giovanni's room. need to look for clues in this room. I am sure I will find something. Great! I found a gun case.
Have you found anything?
I think so. A case for a strange gun. Wait. I think it is for the gun I found. Hold the case open for me. Yes, it is the right one. So Giovanni has the case for the gun which was used to kill Dr. Hartman. So Giovanni is the killer.
I think he might be.
Otto, can you keep this case in a safe place until the police arrive?
Yes.
Now I need to search Dr. Hartman's room. There might be something there I missed. This is the room. I should look for clues here. Great! I found a shoe. Made in Italy. What did I say? The sole of this shoe looks familiar. I should check this with the shoe prints made when I was locked in the cellar.
I was just asking Walter what he thinks about Giovanni.
I was surprised, to be honest.
I was surprised as well, but we do have evidence against him.
I found his shoe in Dr. Hartman's room.
Well done.
Anna, what are you doing with the shoe?
I want to see if it matches the shoe prints outside the cellar. Okay, let's see. This shoe matches the prints left here last night.
What are you talking about?
Never mind, Walter.
I think we should get some sleep.
Yes, but first, let's check our prisoner.
You will stay here all night, do you hear me?
Murderer.
Let's go to bed. I hope the road will be cleared tomorrow and that this hell will end.
I hope so. Oh my God! What now? What happened here?
So, Walter wasn't the killer after all.
Neither is Giovanni.
I think we can untie him now.
Oh mio Dio!
Giovanni, what happened here?
Mio Dio, please help me!
Giovanni, calm down.
I'm ruined. Nobody will ever come here again. Never!
Otto, please.
Giovanni, what happened?
I do not know. Mio Dio, I was asleep. And when I opened my eyes, Walter was dead beside me.
Did you see anyone?
No!
Are you sure?
Mio Dio, yes! I did not see or hear anything.
Listen to me, everyone. At one point, we were convinced Walter was the killer. Then we thought the killer was Giovanni.
But they still could have been killers.
No. There is another murderer, and he is among us.
God help us all.
I am going to search the premises for more clues. I propose you all stay in this room until I return. Agree?
Agreed. I will personally make sure that no one leaves this room.
Thank you, Otto. Oh, one question.
Yes?
I would like to check the cabin in the mountains. Is it open?
It is sealed tight. Take the axe from the kitchen with you.